Come back, problem 23. Let's see. It says 2 times 4x to the power 2 plus 5x plus 4 minus 5 times 6x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 3. Well, distribute the 2 first. 2 times 4, 8x squared, plus 2 times 5, 10x, plus 2 times 4, 8. All right. So 2 times 4x squared, 8x squared. 2 times 5x, 10x. 2 times 4, 8. Now I'm subtracting something. So notice I will multiply the 5 as well as subtract. So the signs inside is going to change. So minus 30x to the power 2 minus 15x minus 15. I hope it's clear. That's a subtraction. So that changes all these signs. All right. And I'm multiplying by 5, distributing the 5. Now combine like terms, 8x squared and negative 30x squared. So overall negative 22x to the power 2 plus 10x minus 15x minus 5x plus 8 minus 15 is a negative 7. Okay, so negative 22x squared, negative 5x, negative 7. Next problem. Okay. 6j minus 11j plus 4j. Notice it's the same variable. What are the coefficients? The coefficients are, one is 6, comma, in negative 11, comma, 4. Now if I have to combine, they are all j's, right? So they are all like terms. 6j minus 11j is negative 5j plus 4j, so negative 1j. So let's go through this carefully. Right? 6j minus 11j. Just combining these two gets me negative 5j. I have not yet done anything with the 4j. Negative 5j plus 4j is negative 1j. Okay, so if you like, negative 1j. You don't need to write the 1, but if you do, no harm done. Next. 5x plus 13y plus 5x plus 10y. Combine like terms. 5x plus 5x is 10x. 13y plus 10y is 23y. Okay. 4x plus 9 plus 10x minus 6x minus 6. So notice, for the x terms, I have 4x plus 10x minus 6x. Okay, so that is 4x plus 10x is 14x minus 6x. 14x minus 6x is 8x. 8x. Now 9 minus 6 is it 3. Next problem. Okay. You have 8 times 10x plus 13 times x minus 3. Okay. 8 times 10x is 80x. Plus 13x minus 39. So now combine the like terms. 80x plus 13x is 93x minus 39. Next. A rectangle has length 2x plus 1, width 8x minus 7. Okay, length equals 12x plus 1 and width equals 8x minus 7. Perimeter. Perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times width. So perimeter, so that's what they want, right? Perimeter. So 2 times length, 2 times, don't forget parenthesis, 12x plus 1 plus 2 times, don't forget parentheses, 8x minus 7. Now if you simplify, for that you need to first multiply 24x plus 2 plus 16x minus 14, which gets me 24x plus 16x, 40x, plus 2 minus 14, negative 12. 40x negative 12. Next, simplify. That is same as parenthesis 8x squared minus 12x plus 16 minus negative 7x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, open the parenthesis, 8x squared minus 12x plus 16. Now negative, because of the subtraction, all the signs change. So plus 7x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so notice that negative distributes and changes all the signs. Combine like terms. 8x squared plus 7x squared is 15x to the power 2. Negative 12x, positive 2x is negative 10x. Plus 16 minus 3 plus 13. 15x squared minus 10x plus 13. Next problem. Subtract this from this. Okay, now you have to be careful here. So, from this, so that comes first. From this, take away this 60 minus 5. Notice how I used parentheses because I want to take away, subtract all of this, and it is one expression. When you have a complicated expression, you have to put it in parentheses. So if you notice what happens here, 5t to the power 2 minus, oops, that's a 4t. Okay, minus 4t. So that's the part from where you're taking away, right? That's the first. Now, distribute the minus, right? So that changes signs to both of these terms. Negative 60, positive 5. That gets me 5t squared minus 4t minus 60 is negative 10t plus 5. Okay, 5t squared minus 10t plus 5, that's the one. All right, next problem. The expression equals what? So again we are simplifying. So let's go. 7x squared minus 6x plus 7 plus 4x squared plus 10x minus 8. So that gets you, open the parentheses. This one is good as it is because it's a positive, minus 6x plus 7. This also opens as it is because of a plus. So plus 4x squared plus 10x minus 8. Now combine like terms. 7x squared plus 4x squared is 11x squared. Negative 6x, positive 10x plus 4x plus 7 minus 8, negative 1. Okay, 11, 4, negative 1. Okay, next one. 6 minus 2x plus 3x minus 7. Okay, open parenthesis, 6 minus 2x plus 3x minus 7. Now, negative 2x plus 3x is 1x. Plus 6 minus 7 is negative 1. So 1x minus 1. The last question. Okay, you have negative 5xy to the power 3 plus 4xy minus parenthesis 2xy to the power 3 plus 5xy minus parenthesis 9xy minus xy to the power 3. Close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Okay, always clear the parentheses. So first open the parentheses inside, right? If you want, you can start outside. It's just opening of parentheses. So let me write it down. Minus 5xy to the power 3 plus 4xy. Distribute the negative. Negative 2xy cubed. Negative 5xy. Negative and a negative. Positive. Parenthesis 9xy minus xy power 3. So notice I did not open the inner parentheses yet. So that negative with that negative is a positive. Now let me open this parenthesis. Negative 5xy power 3 plus 5xy minus 2xy power 3 minus 5xy plus 9xy minus xy power 3. Okay, negative 5xy power 3, that term is similar to this term. It's like terms. 1x and 3 powers of y. 1 power of x, 3 powers of y. 1 power of x, 3 powers of y. So negative 5 and a negative 1 is negative 6xy power 3. Now let's see. Oh, there is one more. I'm sorry, I forgot that. I didn't see it, right? So let me write it all together so that I don't overlook them again. So negative 5xy cubed, negative 2xy cubed, and negative 1xy cubed. That's the xy cubed term. Now the other terms. Plus 5xy minus 5xy plus 9xy. Okay, so now let's go. Negative 5, negative 2, negative 7xy cubed minus xy cubed. So notice I took care of these two. That got me here, and this I haven't touched yet. Whereas plus 5xy minus 5xy, they go away. All I'm left with is 9xy. Lastly, negative 7xy cubed, negative 1xy cubed is negative 8xy cubed. And this is plus 9xy. So negative 8 plus 9. Oh, I made a mistake. So that's a 4. That was a 4. That was a 4. That was a 4. So this will be with an 8. Okay, check your work. Your problem should be similar. Negative 8 and positive 8. That's the answer. All right, so that completes elementary 07. Next videos will cover next set of problems.